Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about new SEBI margin rules and guidelines. Nowadays we know like most of the people are discussing in WhatsApp and Telegram group related to SEBI's new rule. And still most of the people are not aware like what are the changes implemented by SEBI for margin trading. So all those things I am going to explain through this video. So watch completely this video, then you'll be getting a better idea about what are the changes done by SEBI. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And the same way, those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin EJ and you can see lot of videos related to market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain about SEBI's new rule on margin and what are the changes SEBI has implemented for marginal trading. So all those things I am going to explain through this video. Okay, now let us see like what are the changes SEBI has implemented as per the new rule. So the first thing is that buying and selling of shares will require upfront margin from now onwards. It means if you want to buy 1 lakh rupees Reliance share, you have to maintain 20,000 rupees in your account and rest of the amount you have to pay within 2 days. And we know like when we are going for an intraday there is no changes because right now also most of the brokers are giving you 20 times or 30 times. So there is no changes for intraday. And delivery also like like delivery means there is only one time like whatever amount you have in your account you can buy only for that amount. So there won't be any issues for intraday and delivery. And only this rule will be applicable for marginal trading. Like if you are using marginal trading, you will be getting only 5 times leverage. It means you have to maintain 20,000 rupees in your account. Then only you can buy 1 lakh rupees shares. And rest of the money you have to pay within 2 days. And this is a major thing like why this SEBI has implemented this rule means most of the brokers are misusing the leverage because like those who are coming to the market they were giving huge leverage. Because of that lot of people were coming to the market because if I have 10,000 rupees I can trade maybe 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs. So most of the people are coming to the market and they were not aware about the money, okay, because only because of the leverage they are buying huge quantities and they are getting huge losses. So that is the reason SEBI has identified because of the leverage lot of people are getting losses. So in order to reduce the loss SEBI has implemented this rule, and this rule was already there in the market because we know like when we are going for a short selling, like for example if you want to sell a bank nifty they were asking a huge margin. So that time for like short selling the brokers were collecting the huge margin, but for the buying they were not collecting the margin. So because of that SEBI has implemented this rule and right now they have to collect 20% from the client. So you have to pay the upfront margin of 20% and rest of the money you have to pay within 2 days. And the major thing you have to keep in mind is like when you are going for a marginal buying, the 20% you won't be getting for all the stock. So that is a major point. So 20% you will be getting only for the stock which are listed in Nifty or which are the stock which are qualified. So like for example if you are going for a Reliance you may have to pay 20,000 rupees for a 1 lakh rupees trade. And if you are going for a there are a lot of stock which are not qualified, like if you go for Reliance Communication or Alok Industry, so those stocks are not qualified. So for those stocks you have to maintain VAR plus ELM, like what are the value at risk plus ELM you have to maintain. Sometimes you have to pay 30,000 rupees or 40,000 rupees. So this is the major updates from SEBI. Okay, now this is a major update from SEBI. Like for example, if you have a holding of 1 lakh rupees shares, for selling that shares, you may have to maintain upfront margin. Like if you have 1 lakh rupees Reliance shares in your holding, if you want to sell that shares, you may have to maintain 20,000 rupees in your account. Otherwise, you will not be able to sell. And if you are not maintaining that amount, you will be having some penalties as well as. Like here you can see like same way like when you are buying you are maintaining 20,000 rupees and in the same way like when you are selling you have to maintain 20,000 rupees. This will be applicable only for marginal trading, okay, because delivery we are paying the entire amount because there is no VAR plus ELM. and when you are buying in margin, because we are paying only 20,000 rupees or VAR plus ELM, so that is the reason they are collecting another 20,000 or VAR plus ELM while selling as well as. So this money you have to maintain, and if you don't have this money, okay, then you can do, then if you have any holding, you can pledge that shares, and you can use that margin for selling any holding shares. As per the new rule, the major change is that before and all, we know like most of the brokers were giving you 10 times or 15 times. So that leverage will be going down now, because the leverage has come down to 5 times now. 5 times or VAR plus ELM you have to maintain for any purchase. So this is what SEBI is as per the SEBI is planning to do. Phase by phase, the SEBI is planning to reduce the entire leverage of intraday as well as. So for that, the first phase, they have reduced the leverage for margin. So from August 2021, they are planning to remove the entire leverage for intraday as well as. So after August 2021, you may have to pay the entire money for buying any stock. So there won't be any leverage. So for that, they are doing this by step, they are reducing the entire leverages. So the second rule of SEBI is that shares bought today cannot be sold tomorrow. It means there won't be any BTST, because nowadays we know like most of the people buy a shares today and sell tomorrow, because based on the volumes they select a stock and they sell tomorrow with a good profit. But this will not be applicable from going forward, because if you buy a shares today, this will be coming to your DP only on T+2, because if you buy a share on Monday, this will be reflecting in your DP only on Wednesday, because only on Wednesday you will be able to sell the stock. So there won't be any BTST going forward. And in the same way, like most of the people are not aware, like doing pledging, okay, like for increasing margin we can pledge the shares, and while pledging the shares, like most of the brokers are not telling the charges of pledging. Like each pledging you have to pay 20,000 rupees, and I have not seen this nowhere they have mentioned this, because the brokers are not mentioning the charges about the pledging, because I have enquired in angel broking and they have told like each company we have to pay 20 rupees. Like if you are purchase like 10 different companies, 10 shares each, for each company you have to pay 20 rupees. Like if you have 10 companies, you may have to pay 200 rupees like for 10 pledging, because each company you have to pay 20 rupees. So always you have to keep in mind, when you are planning to increase the margin, you may have to pay 20 rupees for each company. Okay, now the next rule is like shares sold today from delivery, the fund cannot be used for any trade on the same day. Like for example, like before and all, we know like when we are selling selling any shares, immediately we can use that fund and we can buy any other shares. But now going forward, we will not be able to use this fund for buying any new position. So we will be able to buy only the next day. And in the same way, there is no changes for options and futures, because we know like options and futures will be expiring on every month. So they are not implemented any changes on futures and options, because if you are buying any options, you can sell tomorrow or whenever you want you can sell. So there is no issues with options and futures. So this is a major update from SEBI, and the major thing is that the leverage has come down, because before and all we were getting a good leverage and now the leverage has come down. So like phase by phase, the SEBI is reducing the leverage, and from August 2021 you won't be getting any leverage for intraday as well as. So they are planning to stop everything, because we know like most of the people are coming to the trading only because of the leverage. Like a lot of people are coming to the trading and they are seeing like because only because of the margin they are coming to the trading area. And now what happened, as per the SEBI's new rule, you won't be getting much margin, and like phase by phase they will be reducing the entire margin. And right now we know like what is the rule, like most of the brokers are giving you 40 times or 50 times, and with 10,000 rupees you may be able to trade maybe 4 lakhs or 5 lakhs, and most of the people are getting huge losses because of that. So in order to safeguard the interest of the client, SEBI has implemented this rule, because we know like if you are using with 10,000 rupees, if you trade for 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs, within a day you are losing the entire capital. And SEBI has identified this because of the brokers are misusing the leverage, and lot of clients are getting losses. So that is the reason SEBI is implementing to protect the interest of the client, because this is only to protect the interest of the client, because we know, like, if we are investing 10,000 rupees, we cannot make even 10,000 rupees in a day. So we can make maybe 100 rupees or 200 rupees or 300 rupees. If you are looking for a huge profit from the market, most of the people are losing lot of money. So that in order to avoid that, SEBI has implemented this rule. So this rule is very good, and this will protect the capital first of all, okay, because you won't be getting much margin, so that your buying capacity will be coming down, and like based on the value only you will be able to buy going forward. So these are the major updates of SEBI. The first thing is that the leverage for margin trading will be coming down to 5 times or VAR plus ELM. Like, what are the VAR plus ELM you have to maintain. So apart from that, while selling shares also you have to maintain 20% or VAR plus ELM, and BTST won't be there going forward. So these are the major updates from SEBI. So hope today's topic is clear, and if you have any clarification related to this topic, you can comment below this video. And the same way, like those who are interested to open account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can contact me. The link I have mentioned in the description. So you can visit my description and you can open the account. So hope today's topic is clear, and if you have any clarification related to this topic, you can comment below this video. And the same way, if you are really satisfied with this topic, you can like my video, and the same way you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.